back to my channel. Today I am sharing a quick little 10-15 minute craft that I did during the crazy quarantine, and it's super simple. So I had these like little memory boxes that were fabric. I bought them from Target. They're from the Magnolia line, and I bought them in the creamy white color, but they were on a white shelf and I was getting super bored with them. So I decided to do a quick DIY stamp project with some matte black craft paint and a magic eraser and a potato. So if you want to see how I upgraded these boxes from plain and simple and boring to cute and graphic and punchy, then keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is give my boxes a little wipe down. They've been on a shelf, so they've got some nice dog hair on them. And then I'm gonna make my potato stamps. So I really wanted to do a little half moon shape, and I already have these small potatoes, so I really didn't have to make that many cuts, but you can just do it to make whatever size shape you want. I'm gonna give it a little dry off, and then I've got some matte black acrylic paint, and I found a lot of luck just painting it on at first and stamping, and then as time went on I just kind of dipped it in the paint and squished it off and then kept going. But I could get 2 or 3 stamps from one dip, and I just kind of went on a little pattern. Super easy. To get into the in-betweens, the areas where I saved this for last, and then I just cut down my stamp to fit the areas. It's not perfect, but it does kind of get the job done. And then you'll see here I also went in with a paintbrush and kind of filled out the rounded tops a little bit more, just so that they looked like that half moon shape. For the second box, I'm gonna make my stamp out of a magic eraser. I'm just cutting it down and cutting out some little extra spots so it's a crisp, clean line, dipping it in the paint and doing a little pattern. Super easy. This one was definitely easier than the potato, but all in all, they're not hard things to do, so you can have fun making whatever shapes you like. And here are the finished boxes. I think they look so graphic and cool. Definitely an upgrade from the plain white fabric boxes that I had before, and it took me all of 20 minutes. It's such a simple craft. I literally didn't buy anything for it. I already had the craft paint. We already had potatoes and magic erasers. So weird. But it was fun, and it was easy, and it was quick, and I did it while I was watching Netflix. And I think it makes the boxes just more into a graphic, cool element that won't fade away on a shelf. And I also had so much fun going through and looking at all my memories and pictures and stuff like that. So anyways, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe. If you want more day in the life behind the scenes fun stuff, you can follow me on Instagram at ColorfulMegan, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.